What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you how to use the Diffusion AI with the SketchUp. For that, the process is very simple and easy, and I'll be providing you the link of the Midjourney, DALL-E 3 and all the softwares that are gonna be used in this video. So make sure you stay till the end of the video, and if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe and share. So let's dive right into it. So what you have to do is to get the SketchUp software. So what is SketchUp? SketchUp is basically used for the sort of a conceptual designs of the architects and the designing the 3D dimensions of the architect that you see outside. For example, over here, you can model a building. So how you guys can use a Diffusion AI, basically. So first thing first, that you need to use Diffusion AI applications, which can be Delete or Midjourney. So if you go to the DALL-E 3 or DALL-E 2 and write a prompt about creating an image of the foot texture, or you can simply give a complete prompt of creating a conceptual image of a building. And then you can drag that picture into the SketchUp, and you can align that picture with according to the plans and then draw over that picture to create a conceptual building architect. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.